ഹലോ ഗായ്സ്, ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ പുതിയൊരു അടിപൊളി വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. വെൽക്കം ടു ഗോഡ് മോട്ടിവേഷൻ ജർമ്മൻ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ. ഗോഡ് മോട്ടിവേഷൻ ജർമ്മൻ ലിജോ ജിഷി വെൽക്കംസ് യു. GMG അക്കാദമി വെൽക്കംസ് യു. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത് ലിവിങ് ആൻഡ് നോൺ ലിവിങ് തിങ്സ്, പ്ലാന്റ് ആൻഡ് എനിമൽസ്, പാർട്സ് ഓഫ് പ്ലാൻ എന്നിങ്ങനെ വളരെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വിഷയങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്. നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാം ഈ വിഷയങ്ങളെക്കുറിച്ച്, ലിവിങ് ആൻഡ് നോൺ ലിവിങ് തിങ്സ്. ലെറ്റ്സ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. ലെറ്റ്സ് ബിഗിൻ. You must have seen the things shown below and many more things around you. Some of the things are made by nature. They are called natural things. Some of the things are made by human beings. They are called human-made things. Name 2 natural things that you seen in your place. There is another difference between things. Some are living things and some are non-living things. Plants and animals are living things. Tables, chairs, cars, computers and buildings are non-living things. Have you ever wondered how living things differ from non-living things? Let us find out. We will see that differences. Living things need food. All living things need food to grow and live. Most plants make their own food. Animals get their food either from other animals or from plants. A kingfisher bird eats fish while a cow eats grass. We all eat food. Living things need food. Does your school bag need food? No, because it is non-living things. Non-living things do not need food. Living things grow. All living things grow. A chick hatches from an egg and grows into a cock. A little baby grows into a child. The child grows into an adult. Living things are grow. A seed grows into a small plant. The small plant grows into a big plant. No living things do not grow. A seed grows into a big plant. No more. A tadpole grows into a frog. A caterpillar grows into a butterfly. Living things breathe. All living things breathe. They need air to breathe. Plants take in an air through tiny openings on their leaves. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. All living things feel. Your pet dog would probably start wagging its tail when it sees you. This is because it feels happy. You feel pain when you hurt yourself. Just as animals feel, plants also feel. The leaves of touch me not plant close when you touch them. Will a toy animal wag its tail when you hug it? No, because it is non-living thing. Non-living things do not feel. The leaves of a touch me not plant close when you touch them. Living things move. All living things move. A crow flies. A dog runs or walks. We too move from one place to another. Plants do not move like animals, but parts of plants show some kind of movement. A sunflower turns into direction of the sun. Living things move. Non-living things cannot move on their own. For example, you will have to kick a ball to move it. Living things reproduce. All living things reproduce. You must have seen kittens, puppies, chicks. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. Human beings give birth to young ones. Most plants produce seeds from which new plants grow. Non-living things do not reproduce. Living things reproduce. Reproduce, the process by which living things produce their young ones. Let us recall. Human-made things. Natural things, non-living, living. Need food, grow, breathe, feel, move, reproduce. Plants and animals. Let us begin. Name 2 useful plants and 2 useful animals. Plants: rose, lotus. Animals: dog, cow. You already know that both plants and animals are living things, but they also differ from each other. Let us find out the differences. Some plants and animals are here discussed. Food habits. Most plants make their own food. Animals cannot make their own food. They get their food from plants or other animals. Animals such as cows, goats, and elephants eat plants. Animals such as lions, tigers, and foxes eat other animals. Animals eat plants or other animals. Breathing. Plants take in an air through tiny openings called stomata present on their leaves. Animals such as monkeys, lions, cats, and dogs breathe through lungs. Gills are the breathing organs of fish. A monkey breathes through lungs. A fish breathes through gills. Quick check. What organ do you need to breathe? No more. Whales and dolphins live in water but breathe through lungs. Movement. Animals move about in search of food, water, and shelter. They also move to escape from their enemies. Do plants move like animals? No, plants do not move from place to place. They are fixed in the soil. However, some parts move in the direction of sunlight and water. Reproduction. Most plants produce seeds from which new plants grow. Some plants also grow from other parts of the mother plant. Animals such as dogs, cats, and cows give birth to young ones. Human beings also reproduce by giving birth to babies. Animals such as birds, frogs, and snakes reproduce by laying eggs. Stomata, tiny openings on the leaves. Gills, breathing organs of fish. Plants and animals depend on each other. Animals and human beings depend on plants for many things. Plants provide food to animals. We also eat different food items obtained from plants. Plants provide shelter to many animals. Do plants depend on animals? Yes, plants depend on animals to produce seeds. In nature, there is a balance between all the living things. If we cut trees or kill animals, their balance is disturbed. Butterflies help plants to produce seeds. Let us recall. Plants. Food habits: make their own food. Breathing: take in air through stomata. Movement: fixed in one place, some movement in the direction of sunlight or water. Reproduction: produce seeds from which new plants grow. Animals: food habits: eat plants or other animals. Breathing: through lungs or gills. Movement: walk, run, hop, crawl, swim, fly. Reproduction: lay eggs or give birth to young ones. Values for life: Mohan noticed that some people were cutting down the trees in his neighborhood. The people in the neighborhood gathered and requested them not to cut down the trees. Who were right, the people or the tree cutters? Why? Practice and project: some plants do not need seeds to grow. Let us find out how such plants grow. Cut a stem of money plant. Place it in a bottle filled with water. After a few weeks, it will form roots and grow. What do the animals eat? How do they move? Do they give birth to young ones or lay eggs?